Welcome to this guided meditation and practice for beginners. This is for anyone who may be new to meditation or for anyone looking for a simplified meditation to build or deepen mindfulness and presence. My name is Molly and I'm going to guide you through this today. As you get comfortable, I want to share with you a few things about meditation to help you feel more comfortable and clear around the process. Often there is so much information available that starting to learn can be confusing or even overwhelming. You may have tried before and felt frustrated or bored, leading to stopping altogether. Or maybe you've not yet given it a go because you haven't really been clear on what you're doing. Meditation is one of very few things in our life that is not outcome orientated. There is no end goal or thing that you need to be achieving. Many people can feel that they're not doing it right or that they're failing because their mind is not empty and they do not feel relaxed. If they are instructed to focus on something like their breath and they can't, they may feel frustrated and annoyed. These are all common things to feel when you begin meditating. Meditation is simply about becoming aware. If you have not meditated before, it is possible you will be noticing what your mind really does and the patterns it has for the very first time. At first, this can bring up feelings of frustration. The reason for this is that we have always been told that outcomes matter and that we should be achieving something. So when an instruction tells us to focus on our breath and we notice that our mind won't let us, we can sometimes feel that we are failing, or we may feel annoyance or reactivity. Do not let this deter you. Regardless of whether you are able to follow the instruction, you are succeeding with every moment you stay here and notice what your mind is doing, how often it wants to wander, and even the emotions you start feeling as a result of what it is doing. If your mind is saying, "I really need to respond to some text messages or clean the house," just notice that. Or if you feel like your body is itching for the meditation to be over so you can go and do what needs to be done, just notice that too. The goal of meditation, if anything, is to stay with whatever is happening. Sometimes you might get lost in the thoughts or even get up and leave. Don't punish yourself for this. Celebrate what you were able to do, even if it was sitting for 5 minutes when you previously could do none. For this meditation, we will focus on doing a complete physical relaxation meditation, one that involves visualization and slight movement. Not only is this an easier way to begin mindfulness, it is also a really good place to start for releasing tension and other stress that is held in the body. We will start the meditation now by making sure that you are comfortable. Just allow yourself to settle into a relaxed seated position if you can, either on a cushion, chair, or on a bed if you wish. It is best to sit, as this helps the body to know that it is awake and to be conscious throughout the practice. When you feel comfortable, just slowly close down your eyes and slowly exhale. Now slowly inhale and exhale and inhale and exhale. Bring your attention to your hands. If you can, clench your fists. Squeeze your fists as tightly as possible. Focus on the feelings of tension in your fingers, in your hands, and in your forearms. Now relax your hands completely. Wiggle your fingers and let your hands completely relax. Just allow the muscles in your forearms to relax. Just focus on the muscles in your hands and in your arms being completely relaxed. Now raise your eyebrows and feel the muscles in your forehead becoming tight and tense. Now try to let go, but only approximately half of the tension from your forehead, whilst keeping the remaining tension at a constant, steady level. Now let half of that remaining tension go and hold the remaining tension steady. And now release half of that tension. Try to maintain just a tiny level of tension. Now allow your forehead to completely relax. Let all the tension go and feel your forehead smooth out and relax. Just enjoy the good feelings as your forehead feels completely relaxed. Squeeze your eyes shut very tightly and feel the muscles tense that circle around your eyes. Then relax completely. Let all the tensions leave. Allow your eyelids to rest gently whilst your eyes remain closed. Now pucker your lips and squeeze your mouth shut very tightly. Feel the tension in the circular muscles around your mouth. Now relax your lips and let them rest gently against your teeth. Clench your teeth now. Let your lips remain relaxed while clenching your teeth. Feel the muscles tighten in the corners of your jaw and up into your temples. Now relax your jaw. Gently wiggle your jaw from side to side to release the tension, and just let your jaw hang slack. Let all the tension go out of it. Focus on how relaxed the muscles in your face are feeling, completely relaxed. Now tense the muscles in your neck that move your head back. While keeping those muscles tight, try to move your head forward so that you're tensing one set of muscles against another. Move your head slowly to the right and then to the left. Feel how tight the muscles in your neck are feeling. And now let those muscles relax all at once. Let your neck completely relax. Move the points of your shoulder forward and together as if you are trying to touch your shoulders together in front of you. Feel the tension across your upper back. And now push your shoulders back as if you were trying to touch the points of your shoulder blades behind you. And now completely relax. Just feel the relaxation spread across your shoulders and along your upper back. Tighten the muscles in your buttocks. Squeeze them in as tightly as you can. And now let them go completely. Tense your knees and your thigh muscles now. Hold these muscles tight and notice the feeling of tension. Now relax. Just let those muscles lengthen and smooth out. Feel the muscles gradually lengthen as they relax more and more. Now point your toes downward so they are in direct line with your legs. Feel the muscles that are tensed in your calves. And now relax. Pull your toes up now as if to touch your shins. Feel the muscles tighten in your shins. Relax the muscles now. Now curl your toes into a tight ball. Hold them tight and feel the tension. Now give your toes a gentle wiggle and just let them go. Allow your toes to completely relax. Allow your awareness to scan slowly through your body, starting at your toes. Just notice how relaxed every muscle in your body feels. Start to scan up your legs, through your pelvis, and into your back. Slowly to your shoulders. And if you find a tight muscle, just gently let it go so that it's completely relaxed. Scan the muscles in your head and face and back down to your chest, along your arms and into your hands. Just gently scan each muscle, releasing any tension and quietly observing how relaxed your body feels. Turn your attention to your breathing now. Just notice how slowly the air is entering your body, filling your lungs and then gently leaving. Don't try to control your breathing at all, just gently observe it. As you exhale, let everything go and allow the weight of your chest to expel the air from your lungs. As you inhale, allow your body to be nurtured with pure, calm, and positive energy. As you inhale, allow your body to be nurtured with pure, calm, and positive energy. As you exhale, let go of any tension or worries that you may be holding on to. Just let them go and breathe them away. Breathe in peace, calm, and positivity. As you exhale, think to yourself, I release all tension and worry. As you inhale, think to yourself, I breathe, I'm calm, I have positive energy. Imagine yourself gently floating now, slowly and safely floating about the treetops on a gentle breeze, completely relaxed. Let go of having to focus on anything and just let your mind go. As I count back from 10, just imagine yourself floating downwards like a feather towards the ground, towards a green, beautiful field, until you land gently on the ground. When I reach 1, feel yourself floating, completely relaxed and totally free. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Imagine yourself laying comfortably in the soft, sweet-smelling grass in a beautiful field. The sun is very gently bathing you in a warm, healing light. Notice how relaxed your body is feeling. Notice the slow and steady heartbeat that you may feel. Notice how slow and relaxed your breathing has become. You are completely relaxed. Bring your attention back to your body sitting in the room where you are now. Just start to notice the feeling of your weight on the surface beneath you, on the cushion, the chair, or the bed that is grounding you, as you start to gently wriggle your fingers and toes. This is a meditation I recommend doing for at least 7 days before moving on to the next guided meditation for beginners. If you miss a day, don't let that derail you. You may wish to only do it for a few days and then pick it up again. Just know you can always pick up from where you left off, and when you feel ready to move on to the next meditation, then do so. If you haven't done so already, slowly open your eyes when you feel ready, and have a peaceful day ahead.